Kunin ko na bukas yung mga
Luloy. Tumira agad ng press. So good.
Tatlo pa pag
Isang pamilya dun, oh. Palakit ka lang mo puri.
Yellow ball.
Oh,
Takatayo si
Yunard.
Gio, eh.
Pass to Arjen. Arjen. Pass to Kuya Demonyo. Shoot. So good. Rebound.
Fire!
ayun tawag sa akin.
Nice!
Yunard.
Parang baka na kasi mag-out sir. Parang host sa yan eh.
Arjen.
JJB.
Pasok. Pull up. No good.
Parang
Rebound.
ako sa JJB.
Luloy. Luloy. Yellow ball. Gray ball. Gray ball siya. Atseng. Is that? AJ. Rebound. Eric. Gray ball. Sorry.
Sabi ng gaya ganito.
Good.
Go, do.
Atseng. Pass to Luloy. Pull up.
nice.
Basket is good. Luloy. Yunard. Dumiskarte. Pull up. No good. Rebound. Outside.
Wala rep. Same ball.
Gray.
Yellow ball. Yunard. Pass to Kuya Jay. Jay, naghahanap ng papasahan. Again. 10-second shot clock. Pass to Eric. Eric, pull up. No good. Rebound. Luloy, mabasa konti. Buwelya. Umangat. No good. Rebound. Jay. Pass to Eric. Baka siguro eh. Again. Pull up. 3 points. No good. Rebound. AJ. Pinto.
Ay,
Again.
Easy.
Anseng. Still by Anseng.
Screen!
Anseng. Teka lang daw.
10 second shot lang.
10-second shot clock. Pass to AJ yung mga
ay. Foul.
foul rep. Number 666, Kuya Eric. First personal foul.
Kuya,
First team foul.
ano kasi little devil?
AJ, first throw.
Isa lang, Jay.
Last throw, parang AJ. Di ba? Ian?
Ay, sayang.
Again, pass to Kuya Eric. Eric.
Score
Kasi
tayo!
yun pala yung
Jay,
pangalan sa
10-second
jersey
shot
niya.
clock.
Kaya pala.
Yunard.
Hindi ko nakita.
Crossover, 5 to shoot, pull up.
Yun lang.
Basket is good.
Skasil.
Tawag din kapit.
Player niya yun dati.
Hanggang ngayon naman, play.
Luloy, pass to Ansel.
Nice.
Sige sir,
Ay,
update kita sa
Ember.
Ito, tinira ni Castle sablay. Naribaw ni
Comedy ako siya eh.
White.
Yellow ball.
White.
Na, pawis.
Yunard.
White.
Yunard.
Pawis na yung pangit na yan.
Yunard, crossover.
White.
Yunard.
Dalawa lang namang.
Yun-
Kompleto white eh.
10 seconds shot.
Hindi ko maliwalag, tatanong ko pa.
Yun.
Papagawa ko sa lamin.
Ah?
Again, first throw.
Yo, chat mo kasi Will. B-boy style.
Last throw para kay Kuya Aljen.
Go, Ninong. Sabihin mo kay Ninong. Go, Ninong Anseng.
Basket is good.
Is good yan, may David Che.
Anseng, pass to Luloy. Luloy, pull up.
Nice!
Ay, nice.
Basket is good.
Tinulak ka pa sa...
Luloy Grijaldo.
Kasi gusto na yung laki. Tulong yan, tulong.
Yunard. Crossover, Yunard. Pulls up. No good, rebound.
Video tayo, video tayo.
Foul number 666, Kuya Eric. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Upo ka muna, upo ka sa
Luloy, step back, defense. No good, rebound.
Nice, Jay.
Katapilan, Yunard.
Nice.
Gray ball. Substitution. Labas, pasok, labas. Anseng. Anseng. Pass to Luloy. Luloy, 3 points.
Basket.
Luloy.
9-3 guys, lamang pa rin ng Gray.
EJ. Naghahanap ng babasahan. Pass to Yunard. Pass to Algen. 10 second shot clock. To Algen. Pass to Jay. No good. Rebound. Anseng. Anseng. Anseng.
Bigay!
Anseng. Bigay mo daw. Anseng. Pass to AJ. AJ umangat.
Ay!
Steal.
Kuha!
Push that power mo. Yunard. Oh.
Hello.
Yellow ball.
Sige.
Algen. Algen. Algen.
Nice one, Anseng. Ay!
Steal Ian. AJ umangat.
Ay!
Supal
Nahuli si
rebound,
AJ.
Yunard. Yunard umangat. No good.
What?
Rebound, Yunard again.
Sino, Paul?
Dalawa na yun ah.
Foul number 16.
Renz, pasok. Renz, palitan mo si AJ.
Second personal foul.
Renz,
Renz.
palitan mo si AJ.
Sub.
Basket is good substitution. Official score natin, 9-6.
Anseng, ay!
Lahat ng tatlong grade.
Edward! Foul.
Foul counted.
Number 1.
Basket is good.
Nakita yun.
Basil.
Foul number 1, Yunard Casin.
Nice, Nard!
Technical, umaangal.
Unang free throw, Anseng. Rebound. Good, good. No good, rebound. Dito Renz, back to Luloy. Luloy, umangat. No good, rebound, Yunard. Yunard, wait lang daw. Outside. Yellow, pass to Orange Juice. Loose foul red. Number 11, first personal foul. 13 foul. We are Jen. Still, pass to June. Umangat. Basket is good.
Bawi, Gray.
Insane. Pass to Ian. Pull up. No good. Rebound. Jay. Yunard.
Ay!
Basket is para Yunard.
Bawi! Bawi, Anseng.
Luloy, umangat. 3 points. No good. Rebound. Jay. Yunard.
Nice one, Anseng.
Pass to Jay. Rebound. Kuya Algen. Pass to Jay. Layup. No good. Rebound.
Mas konti, balik mo.
Luloy. Bumaya, umangat.
Nice!
Good. Tumaas. Ipad mo.
Panit.
Official.
Kuya Algen. Pass to Jay. Umangat. Boarding. No good. Rebound.
Ay!
Kuya pa rin. Umangat. No good. Rebound. Luloy. Bumangga.
Basket.
Umangat.
Nice! More.
Kuya Algen. Tumilo.
Technical.
Offensive foul para kay Algen.
Ay,
Hoy,
technical.
pakakil ako ng higaw nun.
Offensive pala.
Baka maano eh, mga higaw nyo po, pakiubad. Mga sing-sing. Sing?
Shot.
Wakto Luloy? Luloy? Yun. Luloy? 3 points and shot shot clock. No good. Substitution rep. Yunard. Ayun gusto ko pa siya kay Yunard. Yunard.
Wala! Yunard na naman, umawa. Nice one, Anseng. Basket, Anseng.
No good, rebound. Kuya Renz umangat.
Basket. Nice!
Oh.
Go, Ninong ah.
Warning number 10. Kung ano lang po nakita ng referee, yun lang po.
Oy!
Ay!
Hula.
Patay, Jack.
Foul number 10, unsportsmanlike foul.
Easy lang. Pasok, demonyo.
Time out na.
Felix, back to Luloy. Luloy, one dribble. Pull up ng 3 points. Pasok pa ng Seng. Outside.
Time out, Jello.
Outside.
Sayang!
Time out committee. Sumalaksak, umangat. Pasok kay Aljen. Sa gitna, Steve Benseng. Parang ginagawa niya Candy yun.
Go and sing!
Kuya Aljen.
Go Ninongan!
Kuya Aljen. Unard, pass Unard.
Ayaw mo na lang, Ninong.
Pass yung send shot lang. Speed move, go, rebound. Rebound, Kuya Aljen.
Asing!
Pass yung Unard. Layup,
Ay.
basket is good.
Yunar.
Race of the night, nasa ilalim ng court. 7 minutes and running seconds to tayo. Felix. Felix. Nasilaw.
Basket! Ay, sayang!
Good. PJ. Umangat. Basket is good.
Basket ba yon?
Tuloy, 3 points. No good. Substitution. June, sa loob. No good. Rebound. Kuya Renz.
Tao ka, di yan lang.
Papitan. Alvin. Umangat. No good. Rebound. Kuya Jay. Back to Unard. Unard sa gitna.
Ninong nga dyan na si Ninong.
Umangat. And 1.
Next, doon pa lang. Ano mo na, body mo.
Foul rep.
Wala sa ano.
10.
Wala sa forma.
Kuya June.
Kasi mataas mo eh.
Number 10. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Nasabi ko rin sa kanila yun. Dalawa kayo!
Rebound, Kuya Renz. Outside.
Nasabi ko rin sa kanila yun.
Yellow ball. Unard.
Diyan pa lang, i-stop mo na, Alex. Wala mo na.
Hindi yung makikita ni Ember Anseng, oh, nanonood si
Kaliwa mo
Ember.
na, kaliwa mo na dadaan. Kaliwa mo na.
Unard, crossover. 10 seconds shot clock. Pasok ko yung Aljen. Kuya Aljen, umeso. Back to Unard, umangat. No good, rebound.
Kuha!
Alvin. Back to Felix. Felix, pass to Luloy. Luloy, 3-point shot.
Nice! Stress!
Manto mo yan, mamaya.
Pati siya si Luloy ngayon ah.
Pensa ha. Bin, yan sa Ibin.
Conversion din.
Huwag ka na magpapaiwan dyan, Liz.
Kuya Aljen, pull up, pasa pala. Outside. Green ball. Felix. Pass to Alvin. Alvin, pull up, no good. Baseball foul, yellow ball.
One, two, smile na to.
Ayun na, i-stop natin dyan.
Ah, wala. Mami, ayaw niya. Taupak yan.
Last throw po,
Kaya
last
kung
throw.
depensa kasi napapagod ako.
Pumasok. Nice hard.
Green ball. Foul number 24.
Dito,
Both
Glenn.
teams, penalty na po. Both teams.
Nice one, nice one.
Unang free throw, Luloy.
Basket mo, basket mo.
Dito ka, Bebo, para makita mo. Tinatakpan niya.
Sa pa-pre ka no.
Last
Lex,
two.
tulong ka sa ibaw, Lex ha.
Basket baloy, basket. Ay, ayaw.
Rebound, Belgium, outside. Green ball,
Ay, what's that, Ember?
Felix. Easy lang daw, Felix. Gumagawa ng
Ikot, ang dami
Felix.
dyan.
Gumagawa
Screen,
ng
hey!
play.
Ay, nakuha ni Leonard. Sayang.
Sino pa rin papakita mo?
Unard, sumalaksak sa gitna. Loose foul, red. Number 17, second personal foul.
Bin, Bin, halika Bin. Bin. Bin.
4 minutes. Bango pangunan.
Pag ano Bin, pag ano nakita mo yung si Cassie doon, ikaw na umarang doon ha. Kasi pag nakabuelo yun, pag nakaangat, ay may depensa, ano lang body lang.
Panit.
Last throw.
Panit. Paano tawa?
Rebound. Is that?
Paano talent na yun?
Yellow ball.
Depensa tayo, Alex. Second block, Alex ha.
Oras natin, 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Official score, 24-18. We have then 3 points. No good, rebound. Step.
Help, Alex, help.
Leonard, screen. Sumalaksak. Pass to Jay. Pull up. Basket is good. Jay Paliar.
So, yun na.
Uy, 4 na lang guys. Bawi, Gray.
Official score 24-20. Felix, sumalaksak.
Ay!
Grabe.
Sayang.
Hindi ako nakapagreklamo, totoo.
Inay.
Leonard.
Kaya sa ka konti.
Leonard. Pulls up. No good. Rebound. Luloy. Lumabas. Luloy. Luloy.
Cut leaks up. Pagkaroon, cut na. Ikaw na
Pass to Alvin.
Tira.
Kay Were.
Nice! Galing!
Tatang layup daw. Kay Jay, nag-aaral ng babasahan. Pass to June.
Huli.
Hansap lang.
June, umangat. No good.
Nice, Lex!
Relax lang, relax. Tira.
Felix, lumabas.
Mamaya.
Lumabas.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Turnover again. Pass
Sayang, Felix.
second turnover. Felix.
Natawa ka tuloy ni Alex.
Di, minsan di ba nagko-contact lens siya?
Pass to Alvin.
Parang
Alvin.
minsan, nagko-contact lens, di ba?
Rebound. Alvin ulit, umangat. No good. Rebound. Kay Alvin. Alvin. Pass to Yunard. Yunard. Drives in the lane. Pass to June. Ganda pasok. No good. Kay Jay. Push up. No good.
Wa!
Alvin.
Set nyo.
Pass to Felix. Easy lang daw. Sabi ng Felix.
Christian, alis.
Alvin. Push up.
Nice! Ganon!
Alvin.
Pensa naman, depensa. Sa kaliwa mo ha, kaliwa mo.
Kay Jay. Push up. No jump. Rebound. Luloy.
Relax na. Pahinga. Pahinga tayo.
28-22 guys. Oy! Sayang! Ganda sana oh.
Rebound. Felix. 10 seconds shot clock. Felix. Pass to Alvin.
Ay, yun lang.
Unite, lay up! No
Lang.
good. Luloy. Third over Felix. Luloy. Pass to Were.
Ay, sayang! Line ko.
Basket is good. Para Kuya Ray.
Dalaro ata tuting mamaya.
Naka-honeymoon yan, kaya matigas eh.
Nice one.
Ay, sayang.
Rebound. No good.
Depensa na agad.
Unite. Pulls up. No good. Rebound. Felix.
Easy.
Felix. Oh,
Oy! Felix!
pass to AJ.
Ay, sayang.
Next step.
Gatang ilog doon. Rebound.
Oh,
AJ.
tira! Nice!
AJ.
31-22 guys.
Stop nyo na ha.
Okay. Pass to Unite.
Okay, sa lubong ha.
Unite.
Magic lang, magic!
Foul. Pistol left.
Alvin.
Foul number 29, Alvin. Penalty mo.
Leaks.
First personal foul.
Tignan mo yung sugod niyo.
Unang free throw, Unite.
Doon yung strong side. Kaliwa mo.
Nice, Nard!
Kaliwa mo yun.
Isa pa, Nard!
Last throw para kay Unite.
Box out!
Ay, pumasok.
Basket is good.
23-32. Ay, 31 guys.
Time out. Play. So good rebound. Felix again.
Ay! Sayang!
Okay lang.
Ball.
Okay na, basta na ititira.
Jay, saan nila bola, Jay? Depensa tayo.
Unite.
Magic lang!
Push up. No good rebound.
Nice.
AJ.
Oops.
Relax lang.
Pass to Felix. Felix,
na.
3 points. No good.
Nice, Jay!
Loose ball for AJ. Foul number 16,
Sayang.
AJ. Penalty.
Tatlo ka, pre.
Dito sa kabila ka. Yan.
Pumasok pa.
Last throw para kay Kuya Jun.
Yun, no?
Basket is good.
Sure ball naman.
Felix. Easy lang daw.
Ikot isa sa kabila. Dalawa kayo dyan.
Easy lang daw. Gano'n papasahan.
Aseng, hindi ka napapasok, Aseng.
Pass to Alvin. Eligado. 3 points.
Nice one.
Ay, nice! Sayang! Basket! Nice!
Basket is good.
Okay lang, shoot naman!
Health ah, healthy ah. Healthy, healthy.
Antayin siya si Leonard.
Leonard, pass to Kuya Aljen.
Ansap, ansap, ansap.
10 seconds shot
Walang
clock.
foul, ah.
Kuya
Walang yan.
Aljen. Pass to
Ay! Nakalusot pa.
Kiris Gui para Leonard. Felix. Felix. Dribble. 3 balls.
Tres. Sayang.
Foul. This foul red. Number 2. Penalty po tayo. Penalty. Number 2. First personal foul.
Nice.
Free throw. No good. Last throw. Para kay Kuya Jay.
Box out ah, box out.
No good.
Nice! Dalawa kayo!
Santiago. 10 seconds shot clock.
Rebound. Ah.
Ay, sayang.
Kuya Jay. Pass to
Pesa,
Aljen.
eh.
Aljen.
Wala nang titingin.
Nasa Kuya Jay.
Yun no? Galing naman ni Tito Jay.
Pag ganun, depensa na, huwag nyo na tingnan.
Shout out NEC.
Kakahabol ah.
Alvin. Umangat 3 points. Binato. No goal. Rebound. Jay. Paso Yunard. Yunard. Ball pick. Timo. Paso Aljen. Ganda ng ikot ng bola. Pass Kiris Gui.
Walang natalunan, Seng. Walang natalunan, Seng. Dalawa na lang, oh.
Felix. 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 Nagana makasahan. Dito ulit. Paso ko yung red.
Ay, sayang.
Sub red. Sub. Lulot. Ball pick. Lulot. 3 points.
Nice!
Lulot.
Angas mo ron. Walang tao dun ah.
Yagi. Andun pala si Yagi.
Sila kahit pang school.
Yunard. Drive si Jalene. Pasok ko yung Jay. Ubi Jay.
Ay!
Pass Kiris Gui.
Aray na.
Ansay. Pass Luloy.
Nakita.
Luloy. Crossover. Pumasok. Sa gitna.
Basket! Ay! Sayang!
Yellow ball. Competition time. Yunard.
Bawi-bawi, guys.
Crossover. Yunard. Crossover. Pulls up. No good. Rebound. Reds.
Ay!
Loose ball call kaya. Foul number 11. Third person.
Galing ni Sir, sa kabila na nagkukutyo.
Penalty.
Seng, sabang ko si Renz.
Sorry.
Ingat.
Personal ball lang pala. I-clearance. Number 11.
Second nga lang, inayos mo eh.
Nabayaran ka dyan ha.
Second lang, second.
Greeting pala.
34. 36, dalawa lamang, guys.
Crossover. Pass to Anse. Tap in. 3 seconds.
Sayang.
Violation. Yellow ball. Yunard. Crossover. Digital Ace. Pass to. Still Anse.
Basket Anseng! Nice!
Go hard.
Kuya Aljen. Pass to Yunard. Aljen still.
Anseng! Nice! Nice. One more.
Anim ang lamang ng play. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Ano daw? Isa pa.
Yeljen. 15 seconds.
Nice!
Good.
Ay!
11 seconds po. 11 seconds po.
Sa ilalim ah. Hero na dapat talaga. Huli mo to. Fish ka dito. Kanan.
5 seconds.
Ay!
Jun. Lakas kay Jun doon.
2 seconds.
2.5 seconds.
2.5 seconds. 2.5.
Luloy. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound.
Possession, game.
Junard.
Kasama Lex.
Junard. Junard. Crossover. Junard. Junard. Kaya tayo sa gitna. Pass to Kuya Aljen. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuya Aljen naghanap ng papasahan. Pinasay Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun. 5 to shoot. Kuya Jun
Be.
umatake. No good. Rebound. Loose ball foul. Number 666. Kuya Eric. Third personal foul. First team foul. Felix. Felix. Felix, naghanap ng papasahan. Pinasay Kuya Eric.
Lagi map na nga dahil gala ko.
Felix, umangat. No,
Sayang.
Rebound. Kuya Aljen, nabasa ko kami. Pinasa kay Junard. Junard. Push up. No good. Rebound. Gray ball po ang tawag ng referee.
Layo niya.
Back to the ball game. Felix. Felix, naghanap ng papasahan. Felix, pass to Luloy. Luloy, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound. Rebound. Kay Jun. Kay Jun.
Nice, Anseng. Basket, Anseng.
No good.
Sayang.
Rebound. Luloy. Nagkakatigan. Luloy.
Nice.
Luloy. Luloy.
Basket, Loy.
Pass to Nelly. Nelly,
Basket.
umangat. No
Ay.
good. Rebound. Kay
Ay,
Jun.
ang laki ni Kuya. Not counted.
Not counted po, sabi ng referee.
Nice one. Hindi, kasi kailan ilabas muna. Diyan sa guhit.
Junard.
Tapos babalik ko rin dapat.
Junard. Junard. Crossover. Junard. Junard. Crossover. Pulls up. No good. Rebound.
Ay, nakuha pa rin ni Junard.
Pass to Rizzo.
Bawi, bawi!
Felix.
Nalo yung dalawa.
Felix. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound. Junard. Junard. Gumigna.
Anseng.
Foul and sing. Number 25. First personal foul. First team foul.
Sayang, unti-unti ka na nagkaka-supporter ah. Sayang, tumatandaan siya sa'yo na.
Junard. Junard.
Sid, nasakit na kasi.
Still. Still. Any. Pass to Felix.
Sabi ko,
Pass to Luloy. Luloy.
binigyan ko ng ganyan eh.
Felix, umatake. Nice din.
Ay, shit.
Good. At
40 all, guys. Bawi.
natin all 40. Felix.
Ay,
Felix. Luloy, nagpapasahan. Luloy. Dribble. Crossover. 10 second shot lang. Luloy. Offensive foul ang tawag ng referee. Foul number 17. Third personal foul.
Wala nga ganun.
Kaso, sino? Kuya Jones.
bawi, bawi, Gray. Lamang na sila oh. Dalawa oh.
Luloy. Luloy. Paso at Seng.
Nice one, Anseng. Nice pass. Oh, bawi. Bawi.
Didipesa lang tayo ah.
Kuya Aljen. Paso Junard. Junard, 10 second shot lang. Junard pulls up. No good.
Kuha.
Rebound. Good step on the
Nice one. Line vote.
Substitution.
Yung line. Naapakan ata. All 42 guys. Second quarter.
Paso Anseng. Anseng, shot fake.
Ay, sayang, Anseng.
3-point shot.
Basket.
No good.
Tinutulak.
Felix. No good. Rebound. AJ.
Nanunulak si Kuya.
Paso Anseng. 10 second shot lang. Felix sumagot shoot. Matagal ng overlock. Paso Luloy. 5 to shoot. Wow. Who's foul?
Nice.
Ref? Number 666. Fourth personal foul. Substitution. Kuya Jay, pasok. Labas, Kuya Eric. Dribble. Between the legs. Yan, napapasahan. Paso ang 10 second shot lang. Luloy. Paso ang Seng. Anseng. Reverse.
Tito
No
Jay.
good. Rebound. Junard pulls up. No
Kuha!
good. Step on the line.
Line.
Gray ball. Felix. 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 AJ. AJ. One dribble. AJ. Felix. 10 second shot lang. Between the legs. Between the legs, pulls up, pasok pala sa
Sayang.
labas. Turnover.
Taas, taas. Bawi.
Ball. Yunard.
All 42 pa rin guys.
Yunard.
Magandang laban to.
Yunard. Yunard. Matae, side set. No good, rebound.
Kuha. Nice one, Anseng.
Hansen. Hindi pass to AJ.
Basket, sayang, Jay. Shit. Not counted. Nice one. Ha? Hindi, not count. Hindi nalabas eh.
Yeah, Jen.
Pag nakuha yung bola, ilabas.
Yeah,
Tas-
Jen. Pass to AJ.
Oo.
Back to Jen. Yeah, Jen, dribble shot. No good, rebound. AJ bias. AJ, umangat. No good. Yunard.
Ay,
push up.
wala.
Pass to
Yan.
good para
Si
Yunard.
Castle pa naman.
44-42, lamang ang yellow ng dalawa. Hansen, pass to Luloy. Luloy, 3-point shot. No good, rebound.
Tinulang.
Jay. Pass to kay Aljen. Yunard, pulls up. No good, rebound.
One, Seng.
Yunard, rebound. Pass to
Shit,
Rizky
si
para kay
Castle. Bawi Grace.
46-42, lamang ang yellow. Felix, 3-point shot. Nasila.
Nice! Nice!
Isa lang po ang lamang ng yellow. Running time po tayo running time. Yunard. Pulls up, shot fake. Pass to AJ. AJ, 10-second shot clock. Yunard, pulls up. Pass to is good para eliminate.
Nilabas ang tres na ng Yunard.
Jay, dito ka, Jay.
Felix, 3-point shot ulit. No good,
Sayang.
para yung Borigay. Yunard. Pulls up, basket is good para kay Yunard.
Bantayan niyo si Yunard.
45.
Igapos niyo na si Yunard, Seng. Anseng.
Felix, between the legs.
Ang galing ni Yunard.
Felix.
Bawi-bawi guys, Gray.
Felix, naghahanap, tumidiskarte, pass to Alseng, sa gitna.
Ay!
No good. Yellow ball.
Wait lang.
Kuya Aljen. Kuya Aljen. Kuya Aljen, dribble. Gano'n na papasahan, pass to Jay. Jay. One dribble, back to Aljen. Kuya Aljen, 3-point shot. No good, rebound. Kuya Jun. 3 seconds
Nice.
violation.
Nice one.
Felix, pass on Anseng, Anseng. Anseng, pulls up. No good, rebound.
Basket! Ay,
No
sayang.
good. Rebound, Yunard.
Bawi-bawi, Anseng, bawi.
Yunard, crossover, Yunard. Between the legs, Yunard. 10-second shot clock. Pass to Aljen. Kuya Aljen. Pulls up.
Wa!
Rebound, good.
Shit!
Series good para kay Yunard.
Castle na naman.
Score natin, 53-45. Lamang ang yellow.
53-45 guys, bawi.
Luloy. Luloy. Pass to AJ.
Basket!
Para
Nice!
kay AJ, assist by Luloy. Yunard. Yunard. Skate si Yunard. Ang dribble.
Uli-uli.
Second shot clock. With Jude. Pass to AJ, still by Luloy.
Nice! Nice, Loy. Nice, Loy. 49-53 guys, konti na lang.
Yunard. Yunard, dribble. Crossover. Pass to
Ay!
AJ. Basket is good. Assist by Yunard. Luloy.
Bawi-bawi.
Luloy. Luloy, paso ang sa gitna. No good.
Sayang.
AJ, pull back.
Anseng! Nice one! Nice!
Anseng, ilang murayan. Yunard. One dribble. Yunard, crossover. Yunard, screen by Jay. Yunard, sa gitna. Pulls up. No good.
Buha.
Luloy. Luloy.
Basket!
No good. Rebound, Anseng. Anseng.
Ay, Anseng! Isa pa, Jay! Isa, Loy!
Rebound kay June. Yunard. No good.
Oh, go! Gray, gray.
Ball po ang tawag ng referee.
Woo!
Oras natin, 7
Kaya nga, ang dami.
44 seconds.
Dalawa-dalawa na kayo doon. Bawi, guys.
Felix, 3-point shot na silaw. Yellow ball ang tawag ng referee. Yunard. Yunard, screen, Kuya Jen. Yunard. Pulls up. Sabi, Kuya Jay, pulls up. No good, rebound. Kuya Jen.
Nice! Uy, 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 yung computer.
Felix, rebound.
Ay, foul! Nice! Jay! Nice! Uy, yung computer.
Wait lang po, May lamang ang yellow ng dalawa. Kuya Jen. Kuya Jen. Kaya na pagpapasa, pass to Jay. Kuya Jay. 10 seconds shot clock. Kuya Jay. Kobe mo. No good, rebound, Anseng.
Anseng!
Anseng. Pulls up.
Ay!
Good rebound. Outside. Yellow ball po tayo, yellow ball. Last touch. Felix.
Kayo tumira eh.
Tama talaga nun, shot clock daw.
Kayo tumira na eh.
Yunard. 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 Yunard.
Huli, huli, huli
10
yan.
seconds to shoot. Yunard. Sumalaksa, pulls up. Basket is good. Yunard, passing.
Bawi, bawi, guys.
Official score, 59.
Nice!
Sa akin na sa akin.
Official score po natin, wala po laban ng yellow. 57-55. Yunard. Yunard. 10 seconds shot clock. Yunard. Yunard, 1-on-1.
Amin ha, pinasa ha.
Gray ball po. Gray ball.
Pinasa, pinasa.
Gray ball, Nard.
Gray ball. Felix. Felix, 1 dribble. Felix.
Basket.
No good, rebound. Kuya Jun. Pass to Yunard. Yunard. Ball take. Pulls up. No good.
Kuha, Jay!
Tumasa yung Jay. Sumigaw. Wala.
Nice.
Outside.
Gray ball.
Gray ball po. Gray ball.
Yellow tumakpik eh.
Felix. Pass to Anseng. Pass to Luloy. 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 10 seconds to shoot. Luloy. Anong tawag ng referee? Offensive foul.
Ba yan?
para kay
Sayang?
Luloy. Fourth
Decide na
personal
kayo dyan,
foul.
huwag kayo manood lang. Napapanood kayo. Pwede kayo mag-decide para sa tingin nyo.
Yunard, pass to Jay. Jay, sigara babasahan. Oil Jay. Shoots, no good. Yunard, foul. Foul number 17, penalty. Luloy, graduate ka na.
Ay. Ba't graduate na siya?
Offensive.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Last roll, Yunard. Basket is good para kay Yunard.
Ba yan?
Laman ng apat ang yellow, 59-55.
Malakas yung offensive pala.
Oras
No?
natin, 5 minutes and
Parehas lang yun sa
47
foul.
seconds. Felix, back to Anseng.
Go, Anseng! Tira, Anseng! Sayang.
Gray ball po, tawag ng referee. 14 seconds shot ka. Felix, 10 to shoot. Felix,
Go, Felix!
Felix, nandiyan ang pamusahan, 5 to shoot.
Ay, foul!
Foul.
Foul.
Ref.
Yunard. Yunard.
Foul number 10.
Ay, tatlo.
Fourth personal foul.
Ay, fourth na ba?
13 foul.
Basket! Nice! Nice, sapa kuya.
Guerrero, naka-medyas ka ba?
Basket, Nino! Ay, very good naman.
Last row.
Basket! Ay,
Rebound, good shoot.
kuha!
Guerrero.
Dalawa kayo! Basket! Ay! Sayang!
Yunard. Paso kay Jane, sumaga sa...
Kuha! Basket, Felix! Nice! Ay, not counted. Sayang. Sayang. Bawi! Not counted pa.
55 kayo.
Felix. Sunod. Felix.
Gonseng!
Gray ball po. Official score, 59-56. 11 seconds to shoot.
Goninong, Kamoy Amber. Basket, sayang! Nice!
Gray ball po.
Goninong! Goninong, ansay. Sige na ah. Basket! Ay, sayang.
Pass to Yunard. Gano'n ang papasahan. Pass dun.
Nice one! Anseng! Anseng! Isa pa! Ay! Isali! Jay! Nice one, Jay!
Jay Baez.
Nice one, Jay!
Isa na lang po ang lamang ng yellow. 59-58. Yunard. Crossover. Crossover. Yunard. Sumarang sa.
Shit!
Is good.
Lakas!
Yunard.
Hi, Yunard! Uwi ka na!
Felix. Jump.
Nice! Nice one! Nice!
By
Barbie naman. Gray ball! Ay!
Yellow ball po.
Nahawakan na.
15 seconds to shoot.
Depensa.
Go, Ninong!
Yunard, 10 seconds to shoot. Yunard. 6 seconds to shoot.
Go, Ninong na. Go, Ninong! Go, Ninong! Go, Ninong!
Pass to kay Jay.
Go, ano?
Uy, puta si Kamay.
Ala, may dumaan! Kalbo, hindi ko... Basket! Nice! Ay, kalbo.
62-61.
Oo, hindi namin na.
Buti di na mag ka.
Kaya nga.
Who's calling it?
Nakain time out.
Number 11, Kuya Nets.
Carl, bukas! Bukas, semis.
Second game ba?
Second game. Semis.
Kuya Nets, third personal foul.
Bakaw yan.
Yunard.
Go.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice one, Gonseng! Go!
Crossover, Yunard, pulls up. Go, good, di ba?
Ay!
Kumaliwa, basket is
Counted
good.
yun? Ayun.
Yung P.
Hu.
Lamang na uli ng isang yellow.
Go, Gray!
Felix, nasilaw sa 3 points. Go, good.
Isa.
Pass
Anseng!
to Felix.
Oy, pasok! Foul!
Go, good, rebound.
Ay, ang tangkad!
Pass to Yunard.
Ang tangkad! Wala, Nard! Wala, Nard! Wag na, Nard! Jay! Shit!
Anseng.
Go, Anseng!
Anseng, crossover, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Felix. Nasilaw sa 3 points.
Sayang!
Pass to...
Ubus na interest mo. Lex, wag na. O, dos na lang.
Ano papasahan? 10 seconds to shoot. Jay. Steven.
Nice one, Anseng! Ay! Basket, Anseng! Jay! Jay! Nice one, Jay!
Hindi kayo tumira.
Labang ng ulan ng isang Grace.
Nakakapagod ka daw, Nard. Sabi ng... Ay, offensive! Offensive!
Jay, pass to Yunard, 5 seconds to shoot.
Ano?
Kuya Jay.
Sino talo?
Gray ball.
Sino talo? May pustahan kayo, no? Ano? Talo to? Anseng, narinig mo? Si Patrick, ha?
Pass to
Di yan.
10 seconds to shoot. Anseng.
Basket! Nice! counted, foul. Nice one.
Foul number 1.
Ilan na si Hasil?
Hasil, second personal foul.
Ay, second.
Kanina, sino kapsta mo?
Anseng.
Aldo ka na naman, putang ina mo. Ba't hindi ka saan pupusta?
Go, Anseng! Anseng! Basket! Walang foul. Anseng! Nice! Walang tawag-tawag.
Anseng
Nice rep.
68-63. Yunart, pass to Jay.
Nice one, Anseng! Anseng, Anseng! Oras! Oras! Pahinga!
10 seconds shot clock.
Go, 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 go!
Sumalak.
Ay! Okay lang!
Anseng. AJ, push up.
Ay, isa pa! Go, Nino. Sige na ah. Lakasan mo, go, Nino.
Yunart, push up.
Wala!
Good rebound.
Wala! Kuha, Anseng! Kuha!
Kuya Ren.
Hawak oras! 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 Anseng, oras na lang.
Anseng.
Walang oras ito, Anseng, oh. Si Patrick daw, oh.
Kamay!
Foul!
Foul number 1.
Nard, mag-graduate ka na.
Passing,
Talo! Talo! Pumupusta ka sa kalaban, ha? Hindi sa coach mo, ha? Sige ka, Anseng, ha? Basket mo yan, sawa ko. Basket mo yan. Na, ay! Niluwa! Kalma lang! Basket mo yan. Shit!
rebound, Kuya Jun.
Nice one, Anseng! Hoy, tulak!
Outside.
Ay, Anseng! Isa lang! Anseng, isa lang ba? Please. Please! Basket mo na sa ko! Nice!
Two para Anseng.
Di okay lang yun.
69-63. Yunart kumatake. Yunart. Yunart sa gitna. Pass to Jay.
Wala! Kuha! Shit! Kuha! Wala! Okay lang! Okay lang! Okay lang, Paul. Sorry.
Pag mo ulo mo ron.
Unang
Pag
free throw
mo ulo
sa
mo ron.
Jay.
Tsaka ka tatawagan.
Hindi ka tatawag kay referee niya, hanggang di nagkakasugat. Tawag doon.
Ah! Nice one, wala! Jay! Nice one, Jay!
Ate, tapikan!
Ay!
No, not counted.
Not counted, sayang.
Sayang sa free throw.
Bawi.
Pasa mo! Sige.
Felix, wait lang daw. Felix.
40 seconds pa, no?
Felix. 10 seconds shot clock.
Ay, sayang!
Huling ang tawag ng referee.
Depensa, sige ba, depensa!
Bawi, bawi!
Bawi, depensa!
Bawi!
Budget lang, budget!
Yun, Jen.
Budget lang, budget! Budget lang!
Kumatake. Foul.
Okay lang, okay lang! Okay lang!
Foul number 10.
Okay lang, okay lang!
Personal foul. Both teams are penalty na po.
Sige lang!
Nice, Nard! Wag na, Nard!
50 seconds.
Nard, please, wag na, Nard!
I-dribble na rin!
Kaya nga, pito nga.
Last throw para Yunart.
Wag na, Nard! Nice, Nard!
Good rebound.
Nice! Hawak!
Felix.
Foul! Ay!
Yellow ball.
Hawak! Yes.
Crossover, kumatake sa gitna. Paso Eljen. Eljen, 3-point shot. No good, rebound. Anseng. Anseng. Paso.
Basket, kuya! Basket!
No good, rebound. Jay.
Shit! Pasok pa! Not counted! Not counted!
Sabi ng referee, not counted.
Not counted talaga, not counted.
Not count po ang tawag ng referee.
Lapit, Lex! Huwag ka magpakampante!
Kuya Jen, crossover. Sumalaksa. Basket is good.
Oras. Ay,
Kaya nga, Chico.
AJ, duty foul, Unard.
Siniko niya eh.
Warning for graduate na rin.
Take time.
Jay, basket Jay! Sayang Jay.
Free throw, supply.
Jay, isa lang Jay.
Backsot ha.
Mahaba pa yan, oh, 22 say. Basket Jay! Nice Jay!
Good.
Nice!
Unard. Matake pa rin.
Kuha!
Good rebound.
Kuha!
Yellow ball.
Depensa ulit. Ano? Gumubol. Gago, first game yung gumubol.
15.
15 seconds. Unard. Tells.
Ay, shit!
Coach, ikaw ka, coach.
Tatlo lang po.
Uy, tatlo lang asawa ko.
Tatlo lang po.
Kuha.
Uy.
Tatlo ha.
Babagal po. Unang free throw para Rensing.
Take time.
Basket mo yan, asawa ko. Basket mo yan. Shit.
Love you kasi. I love you, asawa ko.
Last free throw.
Basket mo yan. Ay! Ano ba yan? Not counted! Not counted!
Nice one. Not counted.
Not counted!
Hoy, technical yun.
Wag mo kunin!
Bigay mo.
Felix, duty foul. Foul number 24, Jay Palyar.
Yun ang i-review, walang review. Kung ano tinawag, pwede na may comment dito eh. Alam naman namin,
Focus.
alam namin.
Oo, focus asawa ko.
Dalawang free throw para kay Felix.
Felix, basket mo yan.
Tag-isang timeout pa, both teams. Tag-isang timeout.
Ay, sayang. Lexa lang! Woo! Felix, salang! Basket. Nice! Foul! Nice!
3 seconds.
Who's foul
Woo!
rate number 1?
3 seconds. Isa lang lamang, guys!
Pasok, Beverly.
Nice one na.
Woo!
Dalawang free throw para kay Kuya Renz.
Kuya, basket mo yan, kuya! Please! Basket! Shit!
Unang free throw.
Okay, mag-basket. Hindi pwede na bigyan nyo.
Pag-basket po, timeout ang yellow.
Backsot ha.
Kuya! Bawal daw dyan, Jay!
Bumasket.
Basket, kuya.
Good rebound. Red ball. Timeout.
Pupunta ka dito.
Ang oras natin, 1.8 seconds. Ang score po, 70-69 na po ang grade.
Isip nila.
Wala na po tayo.
Harap depensa, harap.
Go.
Karen, sarap ka, harap. Harap ka. Yan, harap mo.
Nice! Pinasa na.
Kaya na tumawag ka sa game. Okay, lang yan. 1.8 pa rin yun. 1.8.
Karen, sarapan mo yung depensa mo. Karen, sarapan mo.
1.8 seconds. 1.8 seconds.
Kay Junjun pa ngayon.